Hello guys, today's LEGO set I believe you can agree with me I can call the legend. LEGO set 8880 Supercar. Before jumping straight to the speed build of this LEGO, I would like to share with you a couple of my thoughts as well as nice photos of this set and its details. So let's start. This beautiful set from 1994 with over 1300 pieces was a real challenge to build. Compared to these days instructions, this set's instructions have only 36 steps, which means it is almost 40 LEGO pieces per step as an average. Also, as you can see on the sample, the newly added pieces are not anyhow highlighted. So you have to be really careful building the set if you want to avoid rebuilding it after a couple of steps, mainly the transmission stuff. Last negative thing to mention that is not only related to this specific set are the little light grey Technic connectors. Many of them were broken over time. Now let's move to the positives. I was really surprised by the technical details of this model. At first, a really good looking comfortable seats and cockpit, movable front lights, 4-gear transmission and 8V motor with moving pistons. And also interesting thing is the chain that connects motor with the gears. Wheels and suspension is also great and solid compared to these day models. I hope you enjoyed the photos and my few words about this set, so enjoy the speed building of this model and few more photos in the end of this video.